Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use Indirect Fire Rule in Warhammer 40k 10th edition. To do this, first let's take this obstacle, and now we can say that this guy right here doesn't see this guy and vice versa. So now also let's say that this one right here has a indirect fire on his weapon. Then we can actually shoot at this guy even though he can't see him, and just proceed with normal rolls, except in the hit roll you will need to subtract one from each roll. So for example, if we would score on 3, we roll those dice and you would roll something like this. So the 3 changes into 2 and 1 stays the 1. Just subtract 1 from each roll in the hit roll. Now if there wouldn't be any obstacle between them, any cover or anything like that, then we can roll normally. So that means you can just shoot the profile and don't subtract anything from your dice. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.